Recording the sewer line here at 1015 Northeast 97th Street. We're recording this from the inside clean out inside the house. So this is a Bob Oates final recording video we're making. And I'm going to push the camera out to the main line from here. Alright, let's keep going there. So we're going through cast iron here. So here's the start of the Bob Oates sewer repair. This is out on the, what are we on here? The east side of the driveway. There's our clean out access we installed, we just passed. So we're going into 6-inch pipe, that's 4-inch. Going into 6-inch, so this is the liner portion of the sewer. A little bit of the epoxy dripping down, that'll go away eventually. And here is the mainline sewer. So city main sewer, end of the liner right there. Line is all good to go. End the recording there.